That's the king parrot, and it's eating silky oak nuts. The seed pods on the silky oak, that's what it's eating. Hear it cracking the nuts. So if you have a silky oak, you may well get king parrots coming to eat the seed pods. It's a good tree because it also attracts honey eaters. The flowers attract honey eaters, and the seeds are eaten by other birds at different times. Where have you gone? Where are you, king parrot, in the silky oak tree? There's the king parrot. Grevillea robusta is the silky oak. And these are what silky oak pods look like. They've only got seeds in them still. That's what the seed vessels, the pods look like anyway. Let's have a look. These ones are all empty. These ones are all empty. That's what the seed pods look like. They're little pods. Oops. So that's what our silky oak seed pods look like after they've dropped their seed.